Guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to do a cooking video. We are going to cook tilapia. Tilapia is the most popular fish in Uganda, particularly in Kampala, because we are near to Lake Victoria. Actually, Uganda is very blessed. We have so many species of fish, but the most commonly fish which is being fished in the lake is tilapia. So this particular fish you are seeing here is about 3.5 to 4 kg, and we are going to prepare it for you the way they do it here in Uganda. Let's get going. My name is Jabwel, and as you have noticed, I'm not the one cooking today. So it's time for me to introduce to you today's chef.
My name is Goretti, and I'm now going to do the cooking.
My name is Beatrice. I'm going to assist Goretti.
My name is Diana. I'm here to assist Goretti.
This is cooking oil. Give it time. I'm now putting onions and green pepper. As you see the cooking going on. Now putting tomatoes. I'm now putting in curry powder. pouring salt. Our tomatoes, onions, green pepper and curry powder are now blended. We are now putting in fish.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. So this is how fish of 3.5 kg to 4 kg kilograms looks like when it is ready. We are going to eat this with rice. I think it's not rice video, so maybe I will show you how we eat it with rice. My name is Jabwel. If you are new in this channel, kindly, simply requesting for your subscription. Just subscribe. Thank you. I know you did that because you honored my subscription request. And if you are my beautiful returning subscriber, do me a favor to hit that like button. Leave a beautiful comment in the comment section below for your village boy, so that next time when I drop a beautiful video like this, I will know that you really care about me. Thank you so much. Kudos. A peace.